if you go and sit down there or something. I'm pretty sure. €2 and you can go in there and get served. Phone then. She just says to me, do you want Heather to take a photo of us all? This is so that she can say, Wally's asked you to take a photo of us all. So that it's like,
swap the glasses over now. I didn't take my normal glasses with me yesterday and think I could see a thing last night. I can see. Yeah, Joe.
Jake's having a deep and meaningful conversation with Sadie. Says it's a deep and meaningful conversation with you.